China's President Xi Jinping has said his country has acted in an open and transparent manner regarding the coronavirus, which first emerged in the central city of Wuhan late last year. There have been more than 27.4 million cases of coronavirus confirmed around the world, according to Johns Hopkins University, and 896,000 people have died.
China's President Xi Jinping has told a ceremony in Beijing that China acted in an open and transparent manner over the virus. He added that the country has also made concrete efforts to help other nations affected by the disease. This even as World Health Organization Chief Tedros Adhanom said the world must be better prepared for the next pandemic, as he called on countries to invest in public health. Meanwhile, India has reported the most deaths from coronavirus in a month. The health ministry said 1,133 people died of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, lifting the total death toll to over 72,000. This development coming as the World Health Organization is in talks with India about joining the COVAX Global Vaccine Allocation Plan. And South Korea has reported 136 new cases of coronavirus, the sixth day in a row that the number has been below 200. This comes as Doctors Association in South Korea said their members are returning to work after a week-long strike over government plans to reform the medical system. Elsewhere, Iraq is reopening its land border crossings, restaurants, hotels, and will bring back sporting events without spectators, the Prime Minister said 3 days after it recorded its highest daily increase in coronavirus infection. Turkey announced strict new measures to fight the novel coronavirus as the daily infection numbers in the country recently crossed 1,000 and beyond. In the meantime, Spain has become the first country in Western Europe to register 500,000 coronavirus infections after a second surge in cases that coincided with schools reopening. Libya, on the other hand, has reported more than 1,000 new coronavirus infections, the highest tally for a single day since the conflict-ravaged country announced its first cases in late. Libya, on the other hand, has reported more than 1,000 new coronavirus infections, the highest tally for a single day since the conflict-ravaged country announced its first cases in late March. Pakistan on Monday announced that all the schools across the country will reopen from September 15th, ending a 6-month closure propelled by the coronavirus pandemic. Globally, at least 19.5 million people have recovered. For Channel 1 News, I'm Emily K. Badi.